Yeah. You're gonna edit this and make me look good, right?
What I do every day is make sure that we're building software that people can use that makes their jobs easier, faster, less stressful, and more productive.
We have a mix of people who are software engineers, and we have a mix of people who are like me that are more not engineering mindset at all.
I love the diversity of work that I get to work on.
I'm working on a product that is incredibly complex with people who are highly intelligent and in an environment that's conducive to creative thought.
My opinions are valued and people, they consider my input and they think about it.
Love seeing the passion people have for the software we're building. It's not just a job to them, but we really take pride in the work that we do.
It makes for a very accommodating and very exciting place to work.
It never feels like a chore to come to work.
I mean, I don't think I would be here if I don't think I was making a difference.
People just want to see me succeed, but it's a place also that I just feel like I can be myself. I don't need to hide anything or fake anything. I can be honest when I don't know something, and I can speak up when I have something to say.